Kiran Bedi, former IPS officer, is joining us on the phone line. Thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us. Your own perspective here, 9 years later, that was an incident, the Nirbhaya incident was one that shook the entire country. But today, as we stand, how much do you think has changed on ground, if at all?
All I can say is not deteriorated. It's changed for the better. It's not changed for the worse. It's changed for the better.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
So all I can say is not declined. It's changed for the better. It's not fully transformed, but it's moving towards the right change, the right direction. It may not be as fast as we would want it, but it has changed. The police response has changed. Parents' response has changed. The teachers' education, the media, the girls' attitude has changed. NGOs are more active. Media is also exposed. They don't spare anybody. So I think it's becoming a non-sparing attitude. But it's moving the right direction. So 9 years from now and today, things are dramatically different, though they may not be as fast. And also there would be difference between backward areas or on the margin areas and areas in the right and the center. I think where we could do more focus is areas which are not so much in searchlight or in the focus.
Right. So in your view, what more now needs to be done, and perhaps in what way can we sort of pick up the pace? Because 9 years later, like you said, there may be some improvement, some changes that have definitely come in, but there's still a lot needs to be done and a lot needs to change of much more.
I think all these years we focused a lot on girl education. I think now we should balance it out along with girl education, work with boys' education.
Yes.
I think that would be, we ignored the boys all this while, and we thought only the girls would be fine and they're courageous and they report. I think while the girls I think they've got that courage within. They know what happened to them is wrong. I think what's important now is alongside focus on the boys, it's like making the boy more responsible and making the girl more courageous. So while we are making girls more courageous, we should also work on making the boys more responsible. And for that, the parents have a very important role, and the teachers. Two persons are responsible for their change. Parents' education at home and the way they nurture the boys, and the education given by the school teachers. So I think boys' education now needs to be more and more in focus. So we need to balance it out.
Yes, absolutely. I completely agree with you on that, ma'am. But the other question also in terms of, the legal angle, we've had laws that have been tightened, that have been changed for the better. The good laws are in place with respect to crime against women. But implementation sometimes is extremely, is probably not good enough or the way it should be. I mean, in the Nirbhaya case itself, we saw how the legal hoops that were there for the convicts to actually keep going through and extending the process. How does that really need to change from, the law perspective?
As far as the law is concerned, there are two aspects. One is investigation, the other is prosecution and the trial.
Yes.
Investigation has come under searchlight. Prosecution is still tardy and the trials are still slow. So while the police has come under huge amount of searchlight, because they are much more exposed to making mistakes and then getting hauled up for it. I think what's important is the expeditious trial. That, I think, depends on the kind of traffic the courts are handling. That is the key. I think that needs to dramatically further change, where such a punishment should be meted out within the year and within the memory of the case. That, I think, has not changed.
All right, Kiran Bedi, thank you so much for speaking to us with your perspective.